Wow, that is really foggy for an 05. In this video, we're going to talk about things you can do at home, jobs like this, replacing it, and save hundreds of dollars. So maybe you have got an estimate for headlight replacement or the cleaning that people do and the buffing and all this, everything. I've done those. Let me tell you, the chemicals and the stages and the time it takes to tape everything off and buff these out. Wow. I found out that we actually sell headlight assemblies for the same price it took for the parts and labor to buff the old ones out. Why would you do that? Let's start with new ones. And they're not hard to do. We have thousands of videos in our library showing you on every car how to take the bumpers off. It saves hundreds, I mean hundreds of dollars, not like 100, several $100s. These come as assemblies or individually, and they're not expensive, and you can do the job with limited tools at home. That's what I'm talking about, saving money and having some fun and pride in that you did it. Headlights are one, let's talk about the others. Brake service, easily done. You can do it at home. We have videos, tell you step per step. Inexpensive, hundreds of dollars saved. Calipers come off real easy. You got 2 mounting bolts to the knuckle and then 2 sliding bolts. We'll break it down for you. We explain every step, how to do it. Put your new rotors on, put your new pads on, secure everything up, even torque specs we give you. That would cost you probably, on this, a couple of $100. You'd get charged close to $1,000. So there's some big money saving as far as I'm concerned. Coil spring over, not as dangerous as struts. Struts can be dangerous, but not when you buy them in complete assemblies because you don't have to take them apart. You just unmount them from the body of the suspension. 1 bolt here, 3 up there. Unbolt them, take them out. This particular vehicle, you just have to take this cotter pin out, take the top control arm, lift it up, and this thing slides right out. Good to go. Easy repairs. A little bit of time, but hundreds of dollars saved. Rear brakes. Wicked easy, just like fronts. You get your caliper, you have 2 mounting bolts onto the differential here and 2 sliding bolts. All you gotta undo them, take it out, take your rotor off, clean your hub up, check your e-brakes out. You have e-brake shoes underneath here, emergency parking brake shoes. You check those out, you can replace those too. We have videos showing you how to do that. Look at the shock right here, easy access. Top mount is up through here. You can get it right underneath the car, unbolt it there and unbolt it there. That's it. Slides right out. No need to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Rear sway bar link, you kidding me? Look how easy this is. Replace it yourself, save some money. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Check out the rest of our videos. We have thousands of them in our library. And don't forget to ring that bell because it turns on all notifications so you'll keep updated with us.